Hi, amazing people. How are you? I wanted to get a little bit of a message out. I'm going to start doing videos again. I'm not coming against anybody. Everybody has their own preferences. You don't need to keep watching about the tarot readers on the twin flames and cosmic. If they're not contacting you and they're not texting you, they're toxic, Jezebel spirit, and they're abusive, and they just don't want you. And narcissist has been used too many times. And I also wanted to say that in this time of need, that there's many people out there that care, and I care. And I'm looking for peace and love and serenity myself. So God bless you. Peace, light, and love to you.